Now I want to talk about the merge clause here, just really kind of swerving over into Transact SQL, but I didn't want to leave, since we talked about the output clause. If you're a database developer, you need to be aware of this merge clause, because from time to time you're going to be called on to do this, especially as you get over into the data warehouse type world. The merge clause will allow you to compare the data in two tables and merge that data into that other table, into one of the tables, based on a number of conditions. Now this is absolutely huge. This used to be one of the big things that you saw everybody searching for out in Google, on how do I compare two tables and find the rows that are common in both of them, and how do I find the ones that are different, and people did all kind of things. Well, the merge clause lets us do just that, and we can base it on whether the data matches or where the data doesn't match between the two tables. Now, how it works is, just as a quick overview, and I'm going to leave this to you to go chase down, because I'm really coming close to swerving into a Transact SQL class here, and I don't want to get off topic. But the way this works is, the first step is you're going to determine what your source and target data sets are, what your source table, and then the table that you want to compare to. Then you're going to specify on what column are you going to check for the sameness between them. How are you going to join these columns together? Then you're going to specify the matching clause, and then you're going to tell it what to do when a match occurs or when a match doesn't exist. In other words, when a match occurs, do I want to delete it from the other table? Or when one doesn't exist, does it mean that I want to take everything that wasn't in the other table and now write it into there? Now this can get a little complicated and funky the first time you see it and the first time you write them, but go out on Google and look for some examples, and you'll see what I'm talking about. Now, the cool thing here is that you can have three matching conditions in this merge clause. The first one is when the things are matched. Then the second one is when the target table is not matched. And then, of course, when your source table is not matched. Now, with those three possibilities, you can do some really cool things with the data, especially when you have data in two tables. And again, in database warehousing, a lot of time in reporting situations, we need to merge databases from two departments, from two companies, in a parent company type situation together, and this is cool stuff for that. So I'm going to stop here. I just wanted to throw this idea at you, let you know what's out there. Go out there and chase this down in SQL Books Online. Go look at examples on Google and just play with this with your own data. You'll see some really neat things you can do with the merge clause.